This is a Trioving Twin. It's essentially kind of like a twin combi, but by Trioving, who's owned by Assembly. At least back when they were called Trioving. Now it's probably Vincard. Hell, I don't know. I can't keep track. Okay, I gotta start at the back here. These are barrels, so we gotta play the barrel game where we tap things past the fat section of the barrels. Happy tappy tappy taparoo. Tap on 5, 4, 3. Some motion on 2. 6. 5 feels good. 4, 3. More on 2. More on 1. Something needs to happen on 6. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2. One. Okay. We are into the countermilling. Okay, those feel kind of good right now, so I'm going to move on and start picking the sidebar. These pins need to be lifted and rotated. Okay, pick on 1. I'm not sure I like the feel of that guy. Okay, play with 2 a little bit. 1, yeah, I don't like 1. Maybe using too much tension right now. Making it too difficult to rotate. Okay. 1, 2, 1. These little nudges. These guys need to be nudged quite a bit. Nothing on 3, 4, 5. Okay, back to the stack. I'm gonna use a deeper hook now. 6 feels good. 5 feels good. 4 feels good. 3 feels good. 2. Okay, that needed a touch. 1 is okay. 3. Back to on the sidebar. Okay. Feels okay. Yeah, okay. 2, got a little click out of that. 3, still nothing. 4 is nothing. Okay, a little nudge out of 1, 2. Go back and forth between those 2 because they seem to need to be nudged a lot. 3. Okay, got a little motion on 4. Not feeling much in there, so I'm going to go back to the top stack. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Seems like 2 might just need a little something else. Okay. 2 feels better now. This other one's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, I think, and 1. Back to the sidebar. We have successfully dropped all of that. Back to 1. Okay, that one feels a little better. Back and forth between 1 and 2. Oh, okay, I felt a little movement. Checking those guys. Okay. Poking on 4 there. 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's a little loose now. Okay, 3 feels a little tight. Back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. 3. Push on 4. Lift 4. Okay, 1, 2. 3. Okay, I'm gonna drop some sidebar. Maybe. 1, 2. Or drop other stuff. Dropped other stuff, okay. One and 2 feel good. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's check with a deeper hook. 6, 5, 4. There's 2 again. 1, 5, 4, 3. Okay. Back to the side stack. 2, 3's loose, 4's loose, 5's loose. Oh, a little nudge on 1. 2, I felt a little movement. Trying to push 4 forward. And lift, I felt a little movement there. 1, 2, 3's pretty stuck. I'm gonna pull. Okay. Nice movement when I pulled 3. Okay, here's 5 is binding. Alright. Let's get this guy gutted. Right, so that way. Okay, spring. This thing. Barrel driver. This should be all barrels. Spring. Barrel driver. Keep in. Spring, barrel driver, keep in, keep in. So far all standard keep ins, so far all barrel drivers. 4, 5. Oh, this came out nice. Spree. Keep in. Barrel driver. Get these old springs. Jeez. Alright, well there's the spring. Keep, oh, there it is. Barrel driver. Keep in. That's it for the top stack. Remember, so that your stuff doesn't come flying out, you can put the key in there. Okay, we've got the sidebar on this side. Take a peek at that. Okay, it's got the little serrations on it. that keep the pins from rotating. Let's grab this sidebar spring, this sidebar spring. Let's check that counter milling here. Counter milling in all 6 chambers. Okay. And here we have the serrated finger pins that get caught on the little barbs on the sidebar, so it makes them difficult to rotate. Dig nabbit. Oh, I think I found it. Mm-hmm. These springs may have seen better days. We're not sure how old this lock is, but it's no spring chicken monster. Okay. Check out the little sidebar groove in here. Take a close up of that. You can see it's got the sidebar with the little barbs on it. The serrated finger pins that have to be lifted and rotated for the sidebar to go into. It's got the barrel pins. And we saw... What the? Silence! Ooh. Siri heard me and started talking about fingerprints or something. Pardon me. And we've got the little counter milling there in the plug. And that is a Trioving Twin. There it is.